Hi guys, today I will be unboxing this Makita 18 volts pole hedge trimmer 460 millimeters LXT. It's using 18 volts lithium ion battery. So you can see here it's quite long. Then it has a telescopic shaft, lightweight design, then 10 adjustable blade positions, then 18 millimeter max branch diameter. So as I see here as well, so the box includes this battery and the charger. Okay, let's start unboxing. Okay, then you can open from this side. Okay, here you go. From here there is a the battery, 18 volts. Then here is the charger. It's quite big. Okay. Some manuals. Try to read this later on. Then here is the hedge trimmer. Okay, it's quite long. And see from this part, this is the blade hedge trimmer. Put this back for safety. So I first measure the length. This one. So the total length is, without the battery, wait a minute. So approximately without the battery is 185 centimeters. But this one is also adjustable. Then this one can be released, then it will make it longer. So we measure again the total length. So around 240 centimeters. Okay, close this again. Lock. Then this one can press this one, then you can adjust the angle. So 10 adjustable angle. So straight. Then we'll try to install the battery. So the battery should be installed like this. Okay. To remove it, press this one and pull it out. Let's try to run it quickly. But first, just remove this one. Okay, let's try to run this one. So here's the trigger, but first you have to press this to release, to unlock, then you can press the button. Now you can see it's running, and you release it and it stops. Okay, so that's it. Very nice. Okay, by the way, I want to measure the weight of the whole unit with the battery. First, I need to activate this one first. Now it's 0. Yeah, 3.3 kilograms. Okay, now we'll try the charger and the battery. So just plug this in to the power outlet. Turn this on. So here is the battery. So it will be plugged in like this. You see the connection. Then like this. Now see, it's still red. So once it is fully charged, it will be green. So I'll show you the locking here. By the way, to remove, I'll just turn this off first. I'll show you how to remove it. So just press this one, then pull it out. It's easy. Okay, charge again. Turn on. Okay, so that's it. So we will charge this, then it's ready. Thank you for watching.